Hello, and welcome to this new section on digital marketing. We are going to look at the first lecture of the digital marketing section to help build excellence in product management. I am Arun Singhal, your management coach and mentor with 40 years of experience in people development. So, what are we going to do today in this section is to give you a quick understanding of the digital marketing to help you build excellence in product management. And it's particularly in this section we're going to talk about what is digital marketing, what are the digital marketing strategies, and how can we go about formulating and testing the digital marketing strategy, right from targeting consumer to determining the key marketing tasks, formulating promotions and communication strategy, formulate sales and distribution, and test and refine the strategy, right? So let's look at what is digital marketing in this lecture. So what is digital marketing? What is your understanding of what is digital marketing, right? So digital marketing is about doing the marketing of products and services, brands and people on internet primarily, using digital devices like laptops, tablets, and mobile phones, right? So it's primarily operating in the digital space. So if we look at the entire space, we can segregate it in two spaces. One is the physical space and the digital space. So operating within the digital space and marketing products, services, brands, and people using internet is the digital marketing. So let's look at a little more in terms of digital marketing. So can we say digital marketing is a subset of product management? Because ultimately any marketing has to, including the digital marketing, has to ultimately grow the sales profitability faster than competition. And we need to build market share, we need to build strong brands and deliver profits. And in doing that, as we saw in the product management, it's all about formulating and implementing innovative strategy that differentiates the product management and introducing successful new products. So, in a way, if you look at, yes, it is about formulating and implementing digital marketing strategies and where we basically operate in the digital space. So, it's all about growing your sales profitability faster than competition digitally, right? And how we do that, the central point is formulating and implementing innovative strategy for your products using digital media and space as such. And in this, the kind of things that we do is we look at the promotions, we look at running various internet advertising or digital marketing programs, using various online formats, collaterals creation for those online formats, identifying trends, competition analysis, measuring the user analytics and behaviors to see are they going in the direction that we wanted them to go to, monitoring sales and profitability, annual budgeting and brand building. So what we don't do in this, as you see here, is unless it's entirely a product created for the digital space, we don't look at the product by itself, the pricing by itself. Product and pricing are done in line with the physical space. And as of now, a large number of brands are still started on the physical space, and that determines what kind of pricing and product that is available to you to do on the digital space. Where we focus is obviously the segmentation, targeting, positioning is also common to the physical space, but segmenting and targeting we can do differently in digital space, as well as the promotions and the distribution and sales can be done very differently. So it's a subset of the product management we talked about, right? So what do we do in the next module? So the next module, we look at these elements that we talked about and we look at what are the digital marketing strategies, and then we will, as we go forward in the section, we will talk about how do we formulate these strategies, right? So thank you so much for watching this first lecture of the section on digital marketing in building excellence in product management. I'm sure you are getting a good sense of what is digital marketing and how is it connected to other mainline marketing or product management. I look forward to seeing you again in the next lecture.